Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed my previous video where I did a full face of makeup using only drugstore products. Moving on to today's video, I achieved this clean and glossy makeup look using only 5 products. No foundation, no BB cream used, just the concealer. So this is my go-to makeup look and it won't take more than 5 to 10 minutes to achieve this look. So I have my 5 products ready with me and you can definitely add or minus the products according to your preference. And if you're a college going or if you're an office going or anywhere, so you can definitely try this look. Okay, so first what we see is the under eyes and the blemishes, and as we're not going in with any foundation, so I'm gonna spot correct my problematic areas. I'm using one of my favorite and this is LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I have creamy beige with me, but this one is slightly darker. I'm in the shade pure beige, but this one is still manageable. So now I'm gonna conceal my under eyes and all my problematic areas. Now I'm going to set my concealer so that it doesn't crease, and for that I'm using baby powder. It almost does the same job as the setting powder, but it's a pocket friendly alternative and I really like doing it whenever I'm keeping my makeup look very basic. So I'll just take a little bit on my brush and I'll just apply it to the areas where I applied the concealer. Now moving on to the brows. I think doing your brows makes a huge difference. It makes you look more presentable and groomed at the same time. So I'm using this The Body Shop Smoky 2-in-1 gel liner. First I'm going to use the eyelash curler and this is from Miniso. Now moving on to mascara. I think it's utmost important to use a mascara whenever you're keeping the look basic, because that is the one thing that adds up to the whole look and it actually defines the eyes because we're not adding any colors. So you gotta go crazy with your mascara. Now we're done with the eyes and I totally love how neat and clean it looks. Moving on to blush, and I'm using this Nykaa Molten Matte Lip and Cheek color, and this is in the shade Miranda 07. So whenever I'm going for a basic look, I prefer to use a cream blush or a tint as they look really natural and make your skin look really healthy. I'm going to take a little bit on my hand. I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to take this all on the brush. Now I'm gonna blend this with my fingers. Add a little bit on my nose, on my chin. Now for my lipstick, I'm using this Nykaa Mini Matte Lipstick in the shade Bombae. I find this one really cute. I think it's really compact and travel friendly. So this is the final look and I totally love how neat this look has turned out to be, and you can definitely wear this look if you're going to college, office or anywhere. I hope you all enjoyed this video and see you all in my next video.